What's up, everyone? Drew, aka Catching Rockets here. Hope y'all had a good day. Looked like a pretty decent day to trade. Um, Me on NQ, I did all right. Wasn't great, wasn't bad. Made money. Um, so looks like we called it again. Um, this was our area to grab puts, and we're not waiting for any kind of retest or anything like that. We just grab them, play them down. We were looking to close here because I didn't think this area was doable. Hence me saying I doubt we get down here, but if we do, grab calls. Um, Somebody actually DM'd me and said, "Are we still grabbing calls here?" So I want to be transparent. I said no. The way that we were selling off today, I didn't think calls here was a great idea. Turns out that I was incorrect. And I'm good with that. I'm always okay with being wrong. I think I talk about it a lot in the YouTube channel. That's kind of just part of trading is you're going to be wrong. And You have to learn how to be wrong. Otherwise, you'll never be good on this. What's up, Sleazy? What's up, Lisa? My pleasure. No problem. What's up, Moody? How you doing, Dwayne? What's up, T. Foster? Snipey, snipey. You're just going to watch me on YouTube, Oliver? I saw you hop in the Orbs chatter. Wait, am I... It's not working, right? Weird. Why isn't my mic working? In Discord. Let me fix that really quick. That's so strange because I literally just checked my... It's working. Test, test, test. I don't know. It doesn't look like it's working. And oh, you heard me okay? That's weird. Like I'm not getting the green circle around my name, but whatever. You like my face? Dude, that's a stretch, bro. I've never had anybody tell me they like my face before. But all right. What's up, Brian? How you doing? What's up, Queen? How you doing? I feel like I could be wrong on this, Queen, but I feel like you're kind of new to the channel. Feedback would be awesome. How'd you do today? Like, did the levels we gave yesterday help you out today? Sure, Oliver. Sure. What's up, Rudy? What's up, Rethan? Hopefully, I said your name right. Rethan. Yeah. Rathana, maybe. What's up, Jack? How you doing? So just to give you guys a quick heads up, I feel like absolute ass dookie today, or tonight. I don't know why. I was supposed to go to work tonight. So with that said, I took a nap. Woke up from my nap like sweating, but I know it was cold in my room, and I was just sweating and feel like I'm gonna puke. I still feel like I'm gonna throw up, but I wanted to get through charting spy for you guys. I looked through a bunch of tickers. I didn't see anything that really like popped out at me. So that's what. So we're just gonna focus on spy for tonight. Is there a benefit to trading spy over Qs? No, not necessarily. Just one's the S&P 500 and one is the Nasdaq. I trade mostly NQ, which is the QQQ futures. Artemis futures are way easier than options. What's up, Share Trade? How you doing? Welcome. Or share, I'm guessing it says in brackets. What's up, Bart? Hey, Sam. What's up, David? What's up, Peter? Take some zinc. Dude, zinc. Anytime I take zinc, like I get major heartburn. Anyway, what's up? I'm okay. I didn't say anything about a kid rug pulling a meme coin, but it doesn't surprise me at all. Yeah. Yeah, no worries, Lewis. Um, so tonight's video is probably going to be a little bit on the shorter side. So if you have questions or whatever, try to get them in early. If I happen to overlook your question, which is rare, but again, I want you guys to know I would never intentionally do that. So make sure you poke me and tell me to read your question. Um, but it can be a little bit, trying to keep up with the chat and keep up with, whatever else, charting and blah, blah, blah. Oh, and if I hop up and run really quick, it's because I'm going to throw up. So just a heads up. I'll be back. What's up, Gigi? What's up, Anthony? Godson, your best bet is to really join the Discord. Um, we both do one-on-ones with feel better, Gramps. We both do one-on-ones with what's it called? With people in the Discord. And for me personally, right now, I have a mentee, and I'm not available to pick up anybody else. Um, and with that said, the chances of me mentoring somebody is extremely low. And I'm not saying that in a rude or condescending way, but a lot goes into it, and it's not just about money. Um, I don't have my own shorty. I don't have my own shorty. I don't have my own Discord, Maximus, but Shorty does. I'll give you the guys the link right now. It took me way too long to find that link. That's the link to Shorty's Discord. And really, if you're, I don't know, I always feel so awkward talking about Shorty's Discord because I just do. But if you're really looking to grow and learn and get better, that's the place. But with that said, you don't need to pay somebody to learn. You can buy books, study, and then this is the hard part: is studying the right people on YouTube, because there's a lot of fake people out there that are just trying to sell a course or sell a Discord, and those people, they're going to teach you wrong information, bad things, and then you're going to have to unlearn those things, which can be harder than actually learning them. So, yeah, but if you're really trying to learn, that's the place to be. You have an actual market maker teaching you. So you have an actual market maker teaching you how to trade. Is there a video or resource you recommend for understanding contract math for risk to reward ratios. I'm not really sure what you mean by contract math. Um, Sounds like you're talking about options. Um, risk to reward risk to reward ratios. Um, like you just do math. Like if you're risking $30, you need to make a minimum of 60. If you're risking 50, you need to make a minimum of 100. Um, but more importantly, you need to be trading levels on the chart. Um, Basically, let me just like draw a scenario really quick. Um, I erased all my levels, but everybody knows the plan was to go short here. So if my plan is to go short there and I'm targeting here, this gives me my ratios based on my stop loss, right? And for me, I always look to the left to figure out where I want my stop loss to be. And if I was shorting this to the previous day value low, then I want my stop loss to be above this level. Because if market makers are trying to grab my liquidity, they're going to come up, hit this, and then make the move, right? So as long as I'm able to take this trade, and have my stop loss at an acceptable level based on levels to the left on my chart, and then my risk to reward is greater than one risk to reward, I can take the trade. There's an options profit calculator. It's really hard to use. You also have to remember, I don't trade options. So like everything that I teach applies to trading. Here's an options profit calculator. So basically everything that me and Shorty teach applies to trading options, trading stocks, futures, crypto, Forex. You can apply all of it to anything. The only thing that we teach that can't be applied to anything is footprints, because those are only available on futures. You could replace footprints with like Bookmap, but I'm not a huge fan of Bookmap. I don't really like it. I way prefer footprints. So hopefully that answers your question. Well, 1-to-1, it's going to be very hard to be profitable. Shorty really recommends being at 3-to-1 on any trade. Yeah, no worries, Jade. And then Lizmo, what do you need to know to read a chart? We have classes on all that stuff, and tonight is not really, like I don't have the time to teach a whole class on reading charts. I'll try to explain as much as I can as I'm looking over the SPY chart. But like what I would say is go to our YouTube. Where was it? Like if you go to my YouTube channel, um, any of the ones that say class, you just figure out what it is that you're looking to learn. So this is like footprints and order flows, which is going to be more advanced, and for people that are trading futures. TPO is also going to be more advanced, but something that you definitely eventually want to learn. Again, footprints here, fibs, which is amazing. Everybody should watch this class on fibs. Another class on market auction theory and time price opportunity, which is again more advanced. But so where you probably want to start, where is it? I think it's under my lives. There's a class. So like there's this one here, which is an introduction to footprints, market profile, and volume profile. There's a class here on footprints. So you just look for the ones that say class. I'm sure there's probably a way to search for this as well. Um, as soon as I find it, I'll link it for you. We found this yesterday. I really need to like.
We had tornadoes going on,
What?
Man,
and
I
they
saw
did,
that.
yeah, and they did their damage. And
Oh
then after
shoot.
that,
That's the video. I was like, who's talking in the chat? And I'm in the chat by myself, basically. It's me and Juan. I was so confused for a second. So this is the video on volume profile. If you're trying to learn charting, this is where you want to start. Um, oh, Sam, yeah, check out that video on Fibs by Shorty. It's amazing. So, what's up, Miss Free? How you doing? So, yeah, just go through either the live videos or the videos and look for anything that says class. I need to eventually just make either a playlist of all of the classes that we've done, um, and then I need to get a cheat sheet myself of all of the classes that when people ask, I can just link them to you guys and not have to be sitting here like an idiot searching through them all. What's up, Mac? How you doing? Anyway, um, let's go ahead and chart this up. Alex P, just so that you excuse me, sorry. That came out of nowhere. I didn't have time to mute my mic or anything. What's up, Nora? Alex, just so that you know, you don't have to wait until the first of the month anymore. Shorty changed the billing on Patreon, so it bills you on whatever date you join. But if you're waiting to join on the first for a specific reason other than that, then do your thing, you know. All right, anyway, let's chart up SPY really quick. I'm still like amazed that we made it down. Um, you know, that full range from yesterday to today. I'm still pretty amazed that we made it down to the bottom. Um, my gosh, I can't even think right now.
That was the hardest 10 minutes of work I've ever done today in the morning.
What, a trade?
Yeah, that dub we caught in the morning.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Uh, why are my levels overlapping? There we go.
Shit, the money makers, bro, are the SIGs, bro. Those things are nasty.
Oh, yeah. Dude, Shorty might trim some snow tomorrow. Dude's wild. Shorty, just so everybody knows, he called out a swing trade for snow today in the Discord, and I think it was today. And where is it? That's way up there somewhere. Whoops, don't adjust. Yeah. Caught this. Oh, from earnings. I didn't realize that they had earnings today. What a beast. And then he's saying he might trim some tomorrow. He's crazy. I would be closing my whole position. No, I'm not doing requests tonight, MacMan. Sorry. I looked through a bunch of tickers. I don't see anything worth talking about. And on top of that, I'm feeling pretty sick, like I'm going to throw up. So I just want to get through this for you guys. My apologies. I can't draw two lines because they're literally exactly the same level. Alrighty. Interesting. So we have this big candle Friday. Monday we have an inside bar, meaning prices inside the high and the low of the day before. Tuesday we have an outside bar, meaning prices uh, above and below the previous day. And today we have an inside bar with just, I don't know, like, what is this? A spinning top? I don't know. This is a crazy candle. Um, this is a crazy daily candle, like absolutely crazy. Um, and just crazier that we're completely inside the previous candle. They probably. Oh, we need to draw SIGs. Super important. Thank you, Bart. I didn't label these. You can tell I'm not feeling good. I'm like, I didn't label what this is. Alrighty. Yeah, Nvidia earnings were weird, right? Like, it looks like the market was expecting more, right? So they they beat on their earnings. Their my gosh, I don't know why yesterday and today I can't think of this word. Um, whatever. Everything came in good on Nvidia, but it seems like the market was expecting more, and it wasn't good enough. And so nothing really moved. Like, pretty wild. Really sucks for the gamblers out there because nobody had puts or calls within a few dollar price range on Nvidia, so they got clapped. Don't gamble. You guys might have never seen me put that on my chart, but CPOC is just a um, what's the word? I don't know why I can't think. I really can't. Um, but whatever. It's a POC over multiple days. I don't know. I can't think of the word. Oh well. All right. let's just peek at what futures are doing. We've been selling off quite a bit. It's 15. Um, it doesn't matter which order you do it in, Lisa, but just do both. Thank you, Maddie. It's a cumulative POC. I don't know why I couldn't come up with that word. I'm just like, eh. Yeah, Lisa, just do both because there's going to be information in Trader Dale's book that you're not going to see in the video, and there's going to be stuff in the video that you're not going to see in Trader Dale's book as well. So do both. And again, it doesn't matter which one you do first, or if you do it at the same time. Really irrelevant. Tomorrow could be interesting. Um, Let me just zoom out more, make sure that I see what I think I'm seeing. Erase this. Thank you. Okay. I think I have a pretty good idea of what they might try to do tomorrow. Um, the big thing is it all depends on where we open, right? But if we're anywhere down in here, this is the slap call zone. Like no questions asked. You don't wait for a retest. Okay. I'm actually really feeling like I'm about to throw up, so bear with me, everybody. Sorry, I'm laughing at Maddie in Shorty's Discord. He's laughing at me. Oh, dude, I need to watch that video. This sounds hilarious. So Oliver just sent this to me. Apparently, this kid made a some shitcoin and rug pulled everybody. But then the crypto community pumped it up to 35 million. He rug pulled at 30K. And the crypto community pumped that coin up to 35 million. And then his original holdings would have been worth over 1.2 million. They also doxed his name, address, and school. Thank you, Maddie. Thank you, Miss Free. Yeah, I work very hard. Um, Sorry, I'm just trying to compose myself really quickly. Um, This is kind of wild because up here we have this stack zone. Um, the best way I can explain this is if they leave this, like, I don't know, if we come up in here and end up rejecting and come back down through the second sig, this is the point where I would grab puts. And I'll explain why. Or if we reject hard off of the second sig, you could grab puts. This is a pretty stacked level, but the issue is right at 590 and 81 cents, we have a poor high, which generally means they want to push price higher to clean it up. And then above that at 591, we have another poor high. I would really not be surprised if they do something like this. And in that case, this is where you want to grab puts, right? We also need to be aware of this zone because this is a gap. So if they break above the November 6th value area high, there's a good chance they're going to fill this gap. Okay. Get some fenugreek. I'm okay. I'll be all right. I just need to go lay down, basically. I'm having like cold sweats and feel nauseous. What did I do 2 or 3 more times? I'm so confused. Like I can't even follow the chat. I don't. Oh, the kid that rug pulled did it 2 or 3 more times. That's hilarious. I need to go watch that link. That's cracking me up. Anytime like scammers or people that try to take advantage of other people get theirs, like really the only thing that makes me happier is seeing you guys win. So, um, but yeah, I love seeing, or it doesn't even have to be you guys winning, like in the sense of like winning at trading, seeing you guys grow and learn and start asking more educated questions. Um, See you guys winning and trading, all that stuff fills my heart. Um, what level is the put down to? I don't really have like. Basically, you want to trim. Um, I would probably target here first for my first trim, and then from there, um, I would trim at the previous day value area low, and 100% I would close at the October value area high. Like you don't go any lower than this. Okay. Um, and if you only have one contract and you want to try to play it lower, like your prerogative. But in that case, what you want to do, and I'm not going to find exact levels. Like let's just say you got in here. I'm again stop loss somewhere. It doesn't matter. I'm not looking to figure out a good place for a stop loss on this. But your initial, your initial trade should be that you're taking profit at the CPOC. And if you only have one contract and you don't want to trim, that's fine. But so what you do at that point is your take profit then moves down to the previous day value area low, and you move your stop loss to break even. And then when this gets hit, you move your take profit to here, and then your stop loss would move down to the CPOC or whatever. I think I skipped one, but basically, like when you're, oh no, I didn't skip one. Price is here, you're targeting here. You just move your stop loss to the continuous or the cumulative POC, and even a little bit higher if you want. Um, but that's how I would do it. Or the better way to do it is just enter the trade and only accept either stop loss or take profit. Because if you just look at the way things move, like if you grabbed calls here, like we talked about yesterday, and then we got a pretty decent move up before it came all the way back down almost to the entry. Um, Pretty good move back up, came back down, and then popped and went all the way. So moving your stop loss can really, you know, take you out of trades early, and then you never catch the full move, which sucks. But if you want to be safe and you grab puts here or up here, I would take profits here. Um, but you can, wait for the full move. It probably happens. Okay. Hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully it makes sense to everybody. Um, and if you're new and asking questions, stick around. This will start to make sense. You will start to learn to tune into the classes, and those should be helpful. I do realize in the beginning a lot of this will seem very overwhelming, um, because a lot of what's the best way to describe? I guess like a lot of influencers try to simplify trading, and it's not something that's simple, right? But they simplify it so that to grab your interest, to get you on board, to sell you a course or sell you a Discord or whatever else it is. And if you're really trying to like learn the game, there's a lot to learn, and there's no easy way, to break it down. We make it as easy as possible, but there's just so much information. It's going to take time to learn it, and you want to read books and you want to study. If you're looking for recommendations on books, there's links in the description of this video. Highly recommend everybody read Volume Profile by Trader Dale, Volume Price Analysis by Anna Cooling, and Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Cough, cough, Chris saying. Just a lot of them, a lot of them. I don't know anything about Chris saying, like literally nothing, other than he's an African American guy that wears like baseball hats, I think, and does the whole gold chain thing. I don't know. That's about as much as I know about him. So I can't speak on him as a trader or anything like that. If I feel like I know something about somebody, as I'm sure you guys know, I have no issue calling scammers out on my Discord. Or I have no issue calling out scammers on my YouTube or in Discord. I'll do that all day, every day, because I don't want anybody to fall in the trap of getting scammed by somebody. Pretty crappy people out there, basically. Anyway, looks like we've covered everything that is important for tomorrow. Don't be surprised to see this level get broken, but also, I know like I'm kind of like talking out of the side of my cheek when I say this, but I wouldn't be surprised to see it get broken, and I also wouldn't be surprised to see a really strong rejection here. It's a very stacked level, but with the with the poor highs, they really tend to like to clean those up. But being that it's such a stacked level, it's going to be a difficult level to break through. I'm sorry to hear that, Bart. Like genuinely, from my heart, you're in the right place now, and hopefully we can help you get that back. Like I don't know how to convey the information to you guys, but I really want to see every single one of you win. Um, and that's why I do what I do. I like to see people succeed and learn and grow and become better people, become better traders. Um, and so hopefully we're able to help you get there. Um, so with that said, much love, everybody. If you subscribe, just know I appreciate you. I appreciate you guys talking and asking questions and interacting with me. It makes the videos fun. Um, I appreciate even more the friends of the streams. Thank you for the support. Really, really appreciate it. And then to anybody that's new and watching, again, like I know it might seem overwhelming in the beginning, but you probably definitely want to stick around. Um, you could grow really quickly by watching our videos and um, watching the classes that we do. Um, and I would appreciate a sub if you are new here. And yeah, yeah, ICT is an absolute scammer, fucktard, shitface asshole. So, like I said, I have no issues calling out scammers. Come through, bro. We can go to my son's gym and fight if you want. Um, all right. With that said, much love, everybody. Y'all have a good rest of your night. Hope everybody has a good day today, tomorrow trading. Actually, sorry, one last thing. See, I'm tripping today. I want to just look at the calendar for tomorrow. So unemployment claims are going to be big at 8:30 a.m. and existing home sales at 10 a.m. Other than that, not much too much going on except for the FOMC members speaking. But that's almost at the close, or not almost at the close, but later in the afternoon, and then some of them are after the close of the market or close to the close. Um, I'll link this to you guys in case anybody doesn't have it. You definitely want this. All right, I actually think I'm gonna go take a hot bath. But y'all have a good one. Much love, much respect. Peace out, y'all.